Guys, it's your girl Cyn. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is an updated curly hair tutorial, and I'm going to be using some new products that I cannot wait to tell you guys about as well. Start off by washing my hair. I am using the Jamaican Mango and Lime to go ahead and wash my hair. This is one of my favorite shampoos. And to follow that up with their coconut hair mask. I love their hair mask. It is very hydrating and it does bring out my curls a lot more, so I'm going to leave that on for about 15 minutes and then I'm going to rinse out my hair with some lukewarm water. Then after using the mask, I'm going to use their conditioner and I'm going to detangle my hair. This is me fresh out the shower. I'm going to use a bottle with some conditioner and some water. I'm going to be spraying my ends and also going to be lathering the water and conditioner in my hair as well. My hair is naturally really dry. I really need something to help it weigh it down with some moisture. So what I'm going to be using some new products that I want to show you guys today. So I'm going to be dividing my hair in two because my hair is also extremely thick as well. So it's easier for me to work in smaller sections and also easier for me to define the curls as well. So the first product I'm going to use is the Shay Miracle Moisturizing Hair Pomade by Revive Naturals. I actually love this because it smells like chocolate. Yes, it smells like chocolate. I'm going to be using that all over my hair. And my hair is a little bit damp, and then I'm going to be using a Denmark brush to go ahead and comb out my curls as well. So just lathering my hair from roots all the way down to the ends. What I love about this pomade from Revive Naturals is that it is super thick and it does leave my hair with extreme moisture, and I do need moisture with my hair because during the day my hair does get really dry. Next, I'm going to be using the Nefertiti Curling Gel. I am obsessed with this product. When I tell you how obsessed I am with this product, my stylist used this on my hair just one time and I've been using it every single day since that day. This hair gel defines your curls like no other, and I cannot find anything on the market that resembles or can even compete to this particular product. It has aloe and moringa oil, which I absolutely love as well. I can't tell you how much I love this product. It is the only product that actually weighs down my curls and also defines my curls. The combination between the Revive Naturals Shea Butter and also this particular product, my curls last all day and they're super defined. Like, look how beautiful and it's the shine. Look at this shine. I'm so obsessed with this product. Both hand in hand have helped me so much with my curls, and I used to be subconscious about wearing my natural hair, but ever since using Revive Naturals and Nefertiti's aloe and moringa oil, I've been absolutely loving wearing my hair natural, and I do love how it makes my curls pop. I'm going to be lathering both sides, but I just wanted to show you guys one side of my hair officially done. As you can see, my curls are popping. Yes, I am feeling myself. My curls look absolutely beautiful and the shine. This is the first time using moringa oil. I have used aloe on my hair, and I do find that the Nefertiti gel is a thick gel, and I do feel like it weighs your hair down. So if you're looking for something that is not only lightweight on your curls, and then it doesn't leave any flakes on your curls as well, it keeps your curls nice and moisturized and defined without having this crusty crunchy look to your curls. It looks super soft, and get so many compliments on my curls wearing my hair natural using their products as well, because it does look very defined. I kind of turned from using actual other products because I didn't like how it kind of made my hair look, but this is just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my hair. And as for all of the products, they will be listed down below. Also, my lipstick, I know I will get questions. It will be down below in the description box as well. So I'm just using the Nefertiti Curling Gel just to lather the other side of my hair. And as you guys can see, from roots to tips, my curls are popping. They're very defined. They're very shiny. They're very voluptuous. I have to use a lot of products on my hair because my hair, it gets really dry, like I said before. I really have thick hair, and I'm so excited to see the journey with my hair and see how big it gets. I've been keeping up with my appointments and my trims, so I just want my hair to be overall healthy and just my body overall healthy. I'm going to be using the Black Mamba Hair Growth by Aligning, and this is from a close friend of mine on Instagram, and she actually makes these oils from scratch. What I love about this particular hair growth oil, it has so many good benefits. It has castor oil, avocado, coconut, it has MSM powder, it has so much peppermint oil. Like, it has so many natural ingredients. She has so many other natural products on her particular Instagram, so I will leave the description down below in the description box. So now I'm going to be using a diffuser. When I tell you this diffuser has changed my life, this is my first time using a diffuser. I know I'm late. Don't judge me in the comments. I'm late, but I actually love this diffuser. My stylist actually suggested that I actually buy one from Amazon, and I am absolutely super ecstatic. This makes my hair so huge. It defines my curls. It has given me so much volume, and I will leave a link below where I got it off of Amazon. This was about $25, which is very cost effective. So we're trying to be a cost effective mommy over here, okay? So I am going to leave everything down in the description box. I'm just diffusing it just a little bit, and actually went out the same day when I did my hair, and I got so many compliments. And I'm very subconscious about wearing my natural hair, but people love my hair. I got so many compliments, and I actually felt so beautiful. So I will be wearing my hair out more often now that I'm keeping up with my trims, and I'm just overall being healthy, just mind, body, and spirit, and also my crown. So this is the end product. Make sure to like below, make sure to subscribe, click the bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you.